The word ku means rising upright, straight, and ulu means to grow, increase, and spread. Ulu means a fruit, name of a fruit. To the people, ku was the symbol of abundance. Underline the word abundance. Abundance means rare. And so was ulu or the breadfruit tree. A body from a ku aside from the nutritional value of a ulu. The breadfruit tree had many other uses. So children, the ulu means the kind of a fruit given in the picture, shown in the picture, that is very nutritional and valuable for the Hawaiian people. And ku is the kind of a symbol, a god of the Hawaiian people. The trunk made fine surfboards, hulu, and drums and parts of the canoes and the houses. The young birds were used as a medicine. These were young birds were used to the medicine. The inner bark of making kappa or beaten clothes. That tree is used to make the medicine also and used for the clothes also. The sap was used as a material and also simmered or certain trees branches to snare birds in the forest. Next, page number 62. In more modern times, the ulu wood was used to make a furniture. These trees ulu is used to make the furniture, and dry birds were burned. The smoke acting as an insect repellent. Underline the word. Polynesians people knew how to use the shoot growing from the base of the breadfruit tree, and early voyagers carried these young shoots over thousands of miles of sea to new lands, spreading them from island to island across the Pacific. Nowadays, the breadfruit come into existence. The Hawaiians have a legend which tell us its origin. Legend means the fable story. The fact of about the breadfruit trees, about the ulu. They have a many proof. They have a many origin related to the ulu tree. Now also they had. When the great god Ku came to the island of Hawaii. Now the god came to the island of Hawaii. See here. There was much of commotion. Underline the word commotion. Commotion means noisy in the skies to celebrate his arrival. When the Ku was came to the island, the Hawaiian people make the commotion and celebrate his arrival. Okay. The air was filled with the sharp flashes of lightning and loud crack and rumbling of thunder. Underline the word rumbling. It means when the Ku come on the island, what happened that time? Air was the filled with the sharp flashes also, lightning also, loud cracks also, and rumbling thunders also in the sky. Means sky also welcome to the god Ku. The people knew that something unusual, circle the word and write down opposite word, was happening, but when he walked into their village, they did not recognize Ku as a god. People know about something unusual happening, but when the Ku walked into the village, that time the people did not recognize to Ku as a god. The people don't know Ku was a god. Okay. Who lived among the people as a planeter. With powerful hand, he moved huge piles of soil effortlessly, and with his long digging stick, he alone did the work of 20. Who made a young woman, and the two fell in love. They decided to get married and start a the Ku lived with the Hawaiian people. He have a magic. Why? Because he was a god. He had a powerful hands. He moved the huge pile of soils and the long digging stick. He alone did the work of 20 people at a time. Who met a young woman. He met the young beautiful woman and they decided to get married and to get start the family. Many years passed and one particular year there was a terrible famine. Underline the word terrible famine. Terrible means horrible. Famine means a lack of food. The people in the village became wretched. Circle the word wretched. Opposite noble. The people in village become a wretched. Wretched means unhappy, weak and hopeless. When the in the Hawaiian people face the great horrible terrible famine and the people became a wretched, weak and hopeless. Ku and his wife saw that their own children were starving. Starving means, yes children, kill with a hunger. Kill with hunger. Was there a way out of this misery? Someone who could help. Here the famine is there, due to that the people was dying because of hunger. That all the things Ku and his wife saw and they thought they will do something for these Hawaiian people. Open the course book, page number 63. We will continue here. Ku told his wife that he could help, provided she support him. He said he would have to go far away. Far away, this is the phrase. Never to return. One day the Ku said to his wife, what he said, he could help them. He could help them provided to something, and her wife also supported to him. And the Ku went away far, never to return. She looked into his eyes, so full of compassion. Underline the word and write down there. Compassion means pity and opposite of cruelty. With a heart heavier than she had ever known before. After that, she looked to Ku's eyes. That time, she was full of compassion with the heart heavier, and she had never ever known before. She turned to look at their children. After that, she looked her children. Tried and listless. Underline the word listless. And the other people in their extended family, whose shoulders slump. Slump means sink. S-I-N-K, sink. With hopelessness, she saw the barren. Barren means unfertile. Unfertile field. All around them. With sorrow, she finally spoke. She support to the Ku, and after that she turned her children and the other people in their extended family, those shoulders slump with the hopelessness. Then she saw the barren field around us, around them, and she finally spoke to the Ku. And what she said? Ku, I have owed. Underline the word. Owe means promised. She promised to the Ku. What? To love you no matter what happened. I will always love you, and now I must let you go. She said to the Ku. She loved the Ku very much, but the situation is very critical. She gave the permission to the Ku, let him go. The finally watched as Ku stood tall and erect. It means set up. His feet planted firmly on the land. Gradually, He began to sink down into the ground as though the earth was swallowing him up. Soon all that remained was the top of Ku's head. The family kept a vigil. Underline the word vigil. It means a careful watch or watchful attention by the spot where he had buried himself, sitting through the long night watching and waiting. Finally, the Hina gave the permission to the Ku to let go, and the family watched as the Ku stood tall and erect. Erect means set up, his feet planted firmly on the land. Then after that, the ground through the earth was swallow him. And next day, that all remained was the top of Ku's head. It means in the given in the picture, shown in the picture, what one kind of a tree is there. That tree means a god. That tree means a god, the Ku.